So today I'm going to discuss a problem that I faced during my job that I had at Planout. So at Planout, I was working as an e-commerce executive for the marketplace management. So to one of my KRAs were to optimize the catalog as per the guidelines by the marketplace. And catalog has different kind of offerings. You can either offer one product or you can offer a bunch of variation under one listing, and that variation will have its own benefit. It means if someone rate one of the variation, that rating will be shown to all the other variations. Let's say I created four variation on the basis of size: 5 ml, 100 ml, 150 ml of perfume. Then and someone bought 5 ml perfume and he rated it at 4.5, then that 4.5 rating will be shown at 100 ml and 150 ml perfumes too. So in backend it is required, it is an art of how you deal with the tech, the Amazon Seller Central, to optimize that particular variation listing. And I tackled that problem when I was creating variation for the perfumes itself, and the logic was the same. They had an 100 ml perfume which they were selling at 1200 rupees, and they had a 5 ml sampler which they were selling at 149 rupees. So and they wanted to make a create they wanted to create fake reviews, an extra review, paid reviews. That's why that 149 rupee would have cost them less than just 1200. The person to review, if there was no variation, then the person will have to pay that 1200 rupees amount just to get the reviews done. But in 149 rupees you can get the review for the 1200 rupees. So it is a cost benefit and a paid review and organic visibility and these kind of benefit with this approach. And there are two ways it can be done. It can either be done through direct. If I had to create only one variation of a certain product, then I can simply go to manage my inventory and add variation to that particular SKU. And if I have a bunch of product, bunch of SKUs, and I want to create variation for each of them, then the spreadsheet works in bulk. We upload, we select the variation type. Let's say it's scent, it is a variation by scent or size, or variation by application with a pack size, whether it's a pack of one, pack of two, or pack of three kind of variation. So there are different variations in Amazon that you can create. So Amazon offers these kind of benefit to the seller that they can choose any kind of offering, any kind of way, any way to offer their product.